What's up, guys? It's Adrian 101. Today, I'll be showing you guys a special method you can use to get money online quickly, real fast. A method to get money online, right, is called dropshipping, right? So, technically, what this is doing is that you guys can make money by selling stuff on eBay without actually having stock, right? So, how this works is really simple. So, you make a listing on eBay, right? Like, okay, I'm selling this, I'm selling that. You can increase the price so that you can make profit, right? So every time someone buys from your listing, they give you their shipping address. You use that same shipping address plus the money you got from their purchase. Then you go over to your supplier, such as Amazon, and then you buy the product that they want and use their shipping address, and then they get the product, right? So it's actually simple to do this. The good thing is that you can use softwares that can do this for you. So all you need to do is find an item that's selling a lot and just list it, and then this software can do it for you, right? So I'm gonna be going through that in this video, right? So right here I'm on eBay, right? So I'll be selling stuff onto eBay. You need an eBay account, by the way, so it's not really difficult to create. And also you need to link the eBay account to your PayPal address, because that's where the money will be going. So, because you'll be having to pay eBay fees for every purchase that you make. So eBay needs access to your PayPal account. I'll be explaining that more later on, right? So now we go over to your supplier, right? So I'm going to be using Amazon right here. So I'll be looking to see if I can get any good stuff right here from here. So what you need is to get like some best-selling stuff, something that will sell real quickly. So you can do research up on that and see if you can get anything, to see if you can get something that can sell real fast, right? So I'm be going over to $10 or less with free shipping. I think you should look for something with free shipping. It just will make it easier, right? So guys can do that, but it depends. It doesn't matter. You guys can do whatever you want. You can experiment with this. Either way, to make money, right? So I'm going to under $10 with free shipping. If you sell something with low price, you have more sales rather than high price, because not much people buy high price stuff, if you know what I mean. So if you guys can sell maybe some low budget stuff and it's really like high selling, you guys can make a lot of money. So for example, this watch right here, I think this one looks good, and then I'm going to be of there, so it's like $9.97 and free shipping as well, which is good. So all you need to do is copy the address. This is when, if you're using a software, you just need to copy address. If you're doing this manually, which takes more work, you need to actually copy everything from here and put it onto eBay. It takes a lot of time. I think the best thing is just get a software, and the software I use is Pricematic, right? The link is down in the description below, so you guys can check that out. It's a very good website, very good software. It does almost all the work for me. So I just find the product, I paste the URL here, and I continue, and then it lists for me. So like, okay, I want to sell this thing, right? And I don't need any stock, so it's just easy, just selling without having nothing, and you don't need any startup budget or anything. So just copy this link, go over to Pricematic, paste that link, and just continue, right? So you do all the searching up and everything, and then you to find the product that you want to sell. As you can see, it already found the product right here. And then it fills out the form for you instead of having to go to eBay and filling out by yourself. So this thing does actually all for you. And also, I actually got a 14-day trial to some premium features like bulk listing, like you can list a bunch of stuff and some good features. But obviously you don't need to be paying money to be doing this. It's just for those good features which are really good. So as you can see, as you can see, it shows up the product right here, right? And then it comes up and fills out all the stuff that you need. So all you need to do is like press publish eBay, and then you're done. But before we do that, let's just check. So as you can see, the description is filled out already for you. so you don't have to waste your time doing that. The features for you, so you don't have to waste time doing that, right? And then quantity, like how many you're selling. So right now I'm gonna say 10. Let's just say I'm selling 10, right? It depends on your eBay limits. Like you might be limited depending on your account. You might be limited to some stuff, so it just depends on your limit, right? But for now I'm just gonna say 10. I'm selling 10, right? So that's that for you. The title's filled out already. So now sales price. So yeah, there we go. So this software will work out a good sale price for you. So yeah, instead of working out your own price, this thing does all the calculation for you. So it seems that this trending price is 0, which means I don't think no one is selling this onto eBay already, because there is no competition, as I can see. And the supplier price is $9.97, as you can see. And then the profit here, this is where you, so as you can see here, this is the profit. So you get $2.20 every time you sell a product, right? You might be thinking that's a little, but you'll be selling a lot of these. So like, let's say you sell 10, right? That's already like about $20, like more than $20 already. So yeah, and then you can sell like 50, you can sell 100. It depends how good is your product is selling. That's why it's important to find a product with a high selling rate, right? So you can make the most profit. So as you can see, the eBay fees is there's a final fee and there's a listing fee. This is only paid once your product is bought. So you don't have to pay to put your listing. You pay if you actually get the money. You know what I mean? So this is my profit after all these fees. So yeah. So the fees will be deducted, and this is my full profit without paying any fees. So actually that's pretty good. And also PayPal also gives out a fee as well. They need to make money as well, man. If PayPal doesn't make money, if eBay doesn't make money, then how can you sell on the site? It's better getting some money than getting no money at all. You know what I mean, right? So you do all the calculation for you guys here. So you won't have to worry about anything. You can also experiment with other stuff. It just depends on how you want to sell your product. So you'd be selling at $14.66. And then yeah, then you can also go here. It will fill out most of the stuff. I don't think this is really important. Then images will also come up with images for you as well. So you really don't do much. It fills out everything for you. So yeah, so it uses the details from Amazon and puts it into eBay. So that's how it works. And then shipping. Oh, that's how the shipping thing. I think it's. I'm just gonna put global shipping as well. And yeah, I'm just gonna do that. And then return policy. I'm just gonna say no returns. I don't know much about this, so I'm just gonna be doing that. And then I think my product is ready to be listed right now. So I'm just gonna go say publish to eBay. Just click on this big green button that says publish to eBay, and then you need to upload the images and do all of that stuff for you, so you don't have to waste all your time as typing in, writing descriptions. It just wastes my time. I've been selling a lot of stuff, so maybe because eBay gives a limit to how much stuff you can sell. But I'm gonna try reducing my quantity here to maybe 5. Probably it will let me do that. So let's just check. Oh, that didn't work as well. Let's just say 1. Let's just put it to default. Just let's say 1. Apparently, you can only list a certain amount. If you want to lift that limit, you can contact them saying, eBay, I want to list more, and then they'll probably allow you to list more items. But it seems that I've reached the limit to list, unfortunately, because I've listed a couple of stuff on eBay, and yeah, I'm just waiting for those stuff to sell. So I think that's my limit. But for you guys, if you're starting fresh, you won't have any limits. It'll be easy for you guys. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Is another way to make money online, which is really useful, and you can actually make a ton of money using this method. Guys, if you guys want more information, you can do more research on it. But that's all I have to say to you guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to leave a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Peace.